Hey, it's David here. Ever thought about starting a side hustle but worried you don't have the skills or experience? Well, guess what? You're about to discover 10 incredibly easy side hustles you can literally start today, even if you have zero skills or special knowledge. And here's the crazy part. Some of these ideas are making people hundreds of dollars each month, completely from scratch. Keep watching because I've saved one shockingly simple hustle for the end. And trust me, you won't believe how easy it is to start making money right away. Alright, let's kick things off with side hustle number 1, selling simple digital products. Don't worry, you don't need to be a graphic designer. Sites like Canva make it incredibly easy to create stunning printables, planners, or social media templates. Once your designs are done, you can sell them instantly on platforms like Etsy. But here's the twist. How do you make sure people actually buy them? Later on, I'll reveal the secret to getting your products noticed without spending a cent on ads. Before we get there, let's talk about hustle number 2, transcribing audio and video. Think you need lightning-fast typing skills for this? Not anymore. Tools like Otter AI automatically transcribe recordings for you. All you have to do is tidy up the text. Sign up on platforms like Rev or Scribby, and you could easily earn $15 to $20 per hour from home. Curious about the best way to land your first gig quickly? Stick around. I'll show you the exact method shortly. Moving on to hustle number 3, online surveys and market research. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Surveys don't pay much, but hold up. There's a smart way to maximize your earnings here. First, sign up on high-quality sites like Swagbucks or Branded Surveys. Then, here's the game changer. Create a dedicated email just for surveys. This keeps your main inbox clutter-free and lets you quickly identify the highest-paying offers. Still skeptical? Later, I'll reveal a little-known trick to triple your survey earnings overnight. Speaking of maximizing earnings, side hustle number 4 is one you probably never considered. Reselling on Facebook Marketplace or eBay. The best part? You don't even need your own products. Start by finding cheap or free items listed locally, then simply relist them at a slightly higher price. A little bit of effort can easily net you a tidy profit each week. But how do you know which items will sell quickly? Stick around because I'll show you the exact items buyers are scrambling to purchase right now. Let's jump into hustle number 5. Voiceover gigs. Before you say, I don't have a good voice, think again. Brands today want real, authentic voices, not professional actors. Platforms like Voices.com and Fiverr are full of beginner-friendly gigs. You don't even need fancy gear, your smartphone mic is good enough to start. But how can you easily boost your chances of getting hired? In a moment, I'll tell you the simple trick that sets you apart from other beginners. Now, side hustle number 6 is even easier. Website testing. Companies will literally pay you to browse their websites and give honest feedback. Sites like User Testing and Try My UI pay up to $20 per test, usually lasting about 15 minutes. But here's the critical mistake beginners make: giving vague feedback. How do you provide detailed feedback that guarantees repeat gigs? Keep watching because I'm going to break it down step by step. Next up is hustle number 7, social media moderation. Businesses are constantly looking for people to manage their online communities by answering comments, approving posts, and keeping conversations positive. You don't need special skills here, just reliability and basic social media familiarity. But how do you find legit moderation jobs that actually pay? I've discovered a reliable platform almost no one talks about, and I'll share it with you shortly. Now, before I give you the secret to selling digital products easily, let's quickly cover hustle number 8, renting out unused items. Have camping gear, a camera, or even tools lying around. Apps like Fat Llama or Peer Renters let you earn passive income by lending these out. The trick to making consistent money? High-quality, appealing photos. Later, I'll explain exactly how to create photos that instantly boost your rentals. We're almost at hustle number 9, but first remember, I mentioned a secret to quickly landing transcription gigs. Here it is, always offer to complete a short sample transcription for free. Clients appreciate this proactive step and often hire you immediately afterward. But guess what? There's still one more extremely easy side hustle left that practically nobody knows about. Stay with me because this final idea could genuinely transform your income. Ready for hustle number 9? It's virtual event support. Since events went online, many companies now pay people just to assist attendees, manage Zoom rooms, or troubleshoot basic technical issues. You literally just need to know how to click buttons, and you're set. But where do you find these easy event support roles? Stick around, because next, I'll reveal the exact places hiring right now. Now here's the juicy part. Remember how I promised to reveal exactly which items sell fast on eBay and Facebook Marketplace? Here's what you're looking for: electronics, small furniture, branded clothing, and vintage decor items. These sell almost immediately at great profit margins. But we're not done yet. Remember the simple voiceover trick to boost your gigs? All you have to do is provide multiple takes in your first delivery. Clients love having options, and this simple action boosts your reputation instantly. All right, we've covered some amazing opportunities, but what's that one ultra simple side hustle that almost nobody is talking about? Trust me, you're going to love this one because it's not only ridiculously easy, but you probably already have everything you need to start today. Are you ready to hear exactly what it is? Keep watching, because this could be the side hustle you never knew you needed, and it's coming right up next. Side hustle number 10 is creating easy-to-follow checklists or cheat sheets and selling them online. This is incredibly powerful because everyone loves shortcuts and simple solutions. But wait, how do you actually create these cheat sheets without any special skills? It's simpler than you think. You just need to summarize popular or helpful information people frequently search for, such as fitness tips, cooking recipes, productivity hacks, or budgeting tricks. Once you've chosen your topic, simply create a neat, visually appealing checklist or summary using a free tool like Canva, then list it on Etsy or Gumroad. But how can you ensure people actually want your checklist? Here's the secret. Focus specifically on solving everyday problems or answering common questions. For example, create a checklist for beginners starting a keto diet or a simple productivity cheat sheet for college students. By targeting very specific needs, your products become irresistible. Now, here's the important part. How do you get buyers to find your digital products without paying for ads? Remember earlier when I hinted at revealing this secret? Here's what you do. Leverage Pinterest. Pinterest is literally built for visual content and how-to guides, making it perfect for your printable cheat sheets or planners. Just create attractive pins that clearly showcase your product's value and link them directly to your Etsy or Gumroad store. You'll be amazed at how quickly organic traffic starts rolling in. But hold on. How do you make Pinterest pins that actually get clicks? The key is clear visuals paired with curiosity-driven headlines. For instance, 5-minute cleaning checklist, busy people swear by, or the ultimate cheat sheet for easy budgeting. Simple titles like these immediately spark curiosity and clearly communicate value. Once people see how helpful your product is, clicks and sales naturally follow. Speaking of valuable insights, remember, I promised a trick to triple your survey earnings. Here it is. Always fill out your profile details completely and honestly. High-quality survey platforms prioritize detailed profiles and offer you better paying, more frequent opportunities. Most people skip this simple step, missing out on tons of easy money. Now, earlier I mentioned a reliable platform for social media moderation jobs that almost no one knows about. Here it is. Check out platforms like Mod Squad. They specialize in online moderation gigs and offer legit, consistent opportunities for beginners. The sign-up process is straightforward and they pay fairly. Just create a strong profile highlighting your reliability, basic social media skills, and eagerness to help communities thrive. And about virtual event support, here's the simple way to find these jobs fast. Join Facebook groups specifically for event organizers and virtual assistants. Event planners regularly post urgent calls for short-term, easy assistance with their events. Respond quickly with a brief, friendly message stating your availability and reliability, and you'll often secure gigs on the spot. Now, let's quickly address something many beginners overlook. How do you give clear, detailed feedback in website testing that guarantees repeat gigs? Here's exactly how. Always clearly narrate your thoughts as you navigate each task. Companies value hearing exactly where users get confused or frustrated. For instance, instead of saying, "This doesn't work," say something like, "I expected the menu to be clickable, but nothing happened," which was confusing. This specific feedback instantly boosts your value. Finally, remember, I promised a secret for boosting your rentals of unused items like cameras or tools. Here it is. Take your photos outdoors during the golden hour. The soft, natural light instantly makes items look appealing, trustworthy, and premium, significantly boosting the likelihood they'll be rented quickly. Now, we've covered 10 easy side hustles you can literally start today with zero skills or experience required. From creating digital products and voiceovers to online surveys and social media moderation, there's something here for everyone. The best part? Each hustle is simple to begin, scalable, and can genuinely change your financial situation starting right now. But here's an important question. Out of these 10 side hustles, which one will you try first? Or do you have any experience already with one of these? I genuinely love to hear your thoughts. Drop your answer in the comments below and let's get the conversation started. Remember, every successful side hustle started with someone just taking action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start today, keep experimenting, and watch how quickly your income can grow. Until next time, keep hustling, stay positive, and I'll see you soon.